I heard there's a big event happening here at the gardens today, and everybody's favourite TV gardener, Costa's going to be here.
Yeah.
Oh, Costa. There he is. Costa? Can't get around these kids.
That'll last forever. Look.
I think I gotta wait in line.
Do you know that I've got a tooth missing? Which is great. Makes life very easy. When I have to say the Botanic Gardens Day is open, will you all be able to jump up to your feet and go open? Okay? Is that a deal? Here with a whole group of young children. The other day in Cranbourne yesterday, looking out. It gives me immense pleasure on this third year to declare Botanic Gardens Day officially Australasia elegans.
Australasia.
Do you understand what a threatened species is?
Yeah.
What does it mean? Do you know what that means?
It means that it's endangered.
Turn it upside down. Are you ready? You're going to catch it? Put your hand that way. And don't forget to put your stake in next to it so that we remember the name and the family. Now say it all together in one way. Pomaderus walshii. Perfect. And round of applause for our Pomaderus walshii.
But I want a photo with Costa.
And now let's do one like this, looking at our plant.
Hi, sorry.
Whoa, Mr. Georgiades is a very busy man. Whoa.
What's going on?
Who are you?
I'm Julia. I'm just a Canberra student. Mr. Costa,
We can drop the Mr. Costa bit, you know, it's just Costa. Lovely to meet you.
Is it okay if we get like a group selfie today?
Oh, I think Mr. Georgiades has had his quota today, so...
Oh, Paul. I'm sure we can just do one more. Look at... Paul, you got to come higher.